Several, let's do it from this side first. So you
Okay,
can start
Judy, you
over.
push go.
I've got it on.
It should
Okay.
go ding, okay.
Okay, it should have went ding, but okay.
The ding.
All right,
Okay.
so we're gonna do back to close. We'll do sugar first. 1, 2, 3, and
You
4,
think it's a whip?
5, and 6.
One, I catch you
2,
early.
3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Rock back,
1,
swim out.
2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now we're gonna do it from this direction right here. We'll do it from this direction. I want you to remember, student remember, he's gonna do a piston lead, which means this is not gonna move. His hand can be relaxed, but this arm is attached here, so it's not gonna be moving back and forth. It's
I'm
gonna
gonna
go
go
1, 2, so it went with his body.
I caught her early.
Triple step, triple step,
Rock back,
2, 3,
send out.
and 4, 5,
The whole
and 6.
key is if I let the lady go all the way back, she thinks it's a whip. If I go here, it's not ever gonna happen. She'll rip my arm off. I need to stop her soon with the heel of my hand underneath the lap.
Look how far away he is from his body to stop me.
Yeah, so I'm reaching forward for her.
1,
1, 2. I'm gonna catch her right there. See how much further she is? Now I redirect. We go triple step. We're back in the starter step. I rock back, send her out, and that's the whole key. If I do a whip, I open the door. If I want her back to close, I stop early, send her the opposite direction.
And one thing I want him to remember is, let's do it this way. He's going to do a sachet step, so he's going to go triple step, triple step. I'm sorry, we're going back to close. We're going to
Okay.
go 1, 2, step together, step, step together, step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Okay, that was swing.
Okay, so you can